Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Admiral Krusty from Garten of Banban. We're going to start off with a little bit of the face. Let's do a little bit of the jaw first. It's just going to be a big U starting from here. You want to go across, stop around here, maybe go up just a little bit more. And before we continue, we just need a little bit of the mustache. So starting from here, we're going to go out and back in for the big mustache detail. And then once we have the chin in, let's draw in the big smile. It's just going to be you starting from here, like so. And for the mouth, open and connect. Now for the mouth, once that's the teeth, let's add a big one in the middle. It's just going to be a square. 2 more on either side. And for the bottom teeth, let's just add in a few more. So, and he does have a little bit of drool on his mouth, so let's add that in. Like so. And now for the eyes. The eyes are a little bit unique. We're just going to have one that starts around here. To start that, we want to go up. And then go around. Round circle and a smaller one in the middle for the eye, like so. Once you're done with that, the other eye is going to be pretty unique. It's going to be a bit bigger. We're going to start it down here actually. Start with a pretty big shape. Circle in the middle for the white, and for this eye we just need a little black dot like so. And to connect the eye, it's just going to be a squiggly connection, and we're going to connect it around the same spot. Continue following this and connect it to the head. And that's pretty much it for the head. Now for the body. For the body, let's simplify it. Let's start off with a big round shape for the body. Let's see what we can draw in. Round shape. Draw a line right down the middle to segment his body, and maybe one more since he is a crustacean. And then let's start off on the first crab arm. Let's draw in 2 lines going out, and then 2 lines going out on this side. Like so. And let's add in a little bit of a segment. And for the first claw, let's add in pretty big claw. Let's go down to this point. Curve up. Curve up like this. This is going to be your first claw. Let's go out and back in. And he's missing a little thumb for the claw, or for the pincer. Let's just add that in like so. It's going to be this claw. And the other claw, let's add it, make it a little bit smaller. We're gonna go out. In. Connect. This one, add a little bit of a smaller claw, like so. And the legs are pretty interesting. It's just gonna be a couple of legs. Let's just draw 4 total for now. That's all we really need for the legs. I'm gonna draw a little knee. And it goes out. And back in, and that's gonna be 1 leg. And let's just split it right here for some detail. And the other leg's gonna be right behind it. Same split. On the other side, draw in the same pair of legs. 1, 2. It's looking really cool, and all we really need is some color. Since Admiral Krusty is mostly red, we're going to use the red to start, and a little bit of blue for the drool. Some circles for some highlights, and pretty much color in the rest of the body red. 1 claw's done. Let's move over to the other one. This red is looking really nice. Fill in this claw, and let's move over to the body. Halfway there, almost done with the body. Body is completed. Let's go over to the legs. Since they're overlapping, we'll just color them both at the same time, and the other pair. Finally, the face. We want to avoid this little area because that's where the drool is, and that's going to be blue. Little whisker mustache. And the outside of the eye. Be careful of the not going into the inside because we want to keep that white. And the last eye. With the foundation red done, I'm going to move over to a little bit of a darker red for the mouth. And finally, blue for the drool. And there you have it. Admiral Krusty from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.